Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on the September the 28th. It is a beautiful fall day. Temperature is about 83. I wanted to take a few seconds to show you these hostas again. They think it's springtime. Look at them, they're all nice and green. There's no brown on them at all. This one's even flowering again. That one is. Those. And it's September 28th. I'm going to show y'all how I do it in a second. Well, I've already shown y'all how I get them green, but I wanted to show you how I talk to them. All right, I talk to my plants two different ways. This one we're going to talk to really nice. I'm going to show y'all how I talk to them in a loving way. So get ready. Hello there, pretty hosta. You look so pretty with your green leaves and your little stripes. Look at those stripes. Look at your flower getting ready to come out. You got a bunch of flowers. Oh my. You're the best looking hosta on the street. Look at you, all soft. This other way is just kind of not a harsh way, but just kind of gentle persuasion to keep on going. All right there, hosta. You're doing pretty good, but not as good as your friend over there. But you do look nice and green. I like your green leaves. I like your purple flowers, but you're just kind of not as big, but that's fine. That's what you want to do. That's fine. You just keep on doing it. All right, that's the two ways I talk to my plants. I try not to bully them too much. Just kind of persuade them to do better. And look at them. They think it's springtime. Because one time I told them it's spring and they believed me. But anyway, have fun with your plants. They'll have fun with you, I guess.
Deep down within me,